Chapter 2, Inspection of the Track Record Keeping. 2.1, Inspection of the Qualified Inspectors. A Army Track. For the Army Track individual who completes the required track inspection shall have a certified inspector specified at AR 42072. Air Force. The Air Force Track of the individual who completes the required track inspection who is qualified to perform such as designated base civil engineering by the base civil engineering inspector. Frequency. Category A and B track at the minimum track designated in Category A and Category B. The inspected intervals shown by the track frequency. The two or more movements per week, once every month, greater than one movement per month, and two movements per week, once every 2 months, at least 1 month at least less than 1 month movement per month, only once every 6 months. Category C tracks shall be inspected annually in accordance with Chapter 16 of these standards, and C, the electromechanical grade crossing signal. The inspection of electrical mechanical signals of railroad grade crossing shall be performed same frequency train inspection. However, the inspection of the signal shall be performed less than 1/4 at an approximately 3-month interval. See Chapter 10 for the additional information of the inspection of the signals. D, internal rail defect inspection. Internal rail defect inspection shall be performed every 3 to 6 years as specified in patrol with paragraph 7A72B. Infrequent use track has not been used if the period of 6 months or more shall be inspected prior to the first movement over the track. Mass rail movement. The track has not inspected within the last 2 months of track inspection recommended prior to any mass rail movement of 50 cars or more. Unusual occurrence. The track inspection shall conduct following unusual occurrence such as a derailment, accident, flood, fire, earthquake, severe storm, other occurrences which could have an adverse effect on the track structure. These inspections could conduct prior to the first movement of the over the track following unusual occurrences. 2.4, responsibility inspector. The certified track inspector is responsible for assuring the inspection of the Army and Air Force's track are performed in accordance with the paragraph 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 of these standards, examining the track and determining whether the track condition complies with the requirements of these standards, reporting any deviations from the full compliance with the condition level. Track inspection paragraph in 2.2 and 2.3 shall be made in 1 foot on the track of the vehicle is speed with a conductive effective track inspection, but not exceeding 5 miles per hour. Turnout railroad crossing bridges, drainage structures shall be inspected on foot. The inspector shall complete and keep a copy of the inspection on file for at least 3 years. Inspection reports while documentation deficiencies result in track falling from the designated condition level shall be kept file on until the deficiencies have been corrected. 2.5, the inspection of partially visible track at location when the vegetation, dirt, debris, and other undesirable materials cover the ties. Rail prevention. Effective track inspection trail operations shall not exceed 20 miles per hour. Undesirable material are removed through the track inspection. Perform the paved areas if in the road crossings other than paved areas. Complete inspection over the track. It is not possible. Certified track inspectors must alert the external signs of track deterioration. External signs indicating the track deterioration: change of the gauge, cross level settlement of the rails, changing in the track profile, excessive vertical movement of the rails as the train passes, settlement of the pavement in vicinity of the track, the deterioration or cracking, breaking of the pavement in vicinity of the track. C, operating restriction from track in the pavement. When external signal signs of the track deviation develop, attention should be given to the track geometry through the paved area. Track geometry measures combined with the visual indication of the lateral vertical movement and the requirements for the road crossing flanges shall be assigning the operation restriction for the track as through paved. Operating restrictions shall be consistent with the operating restriction required for the road crossing and for the track geometry deviations given in Chapter 10 and 12 of these standards. Chapter 3, roadway.